Here I have Cubot P50, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution or photo size in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have picture size. So you have like 12 megapixels, 8 megapixels, 5 megapixels and 2 megapixels, and different resolutions for them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.